BMS campus, Faculty of Life and Medical Sciences, we provide world-class laboratory facilities designed to transform scientific learning into real-world expertise. Our 4 specialized laboratories, Biochemistry, Microbiology, Food Science and Nutrition, and Molecular Biology, offer comprehensive hands-on training across diverse scientific disciplines. Equipped with modern instrumentation and aligned with high international standards, our laboratories ensure accuracy, quality, and industry relevance. At BMS campus, we actively promote research and innovation, empowering students to explore new ideas, conduct experiments, and contribute to scientific discovery. With highly qualified faculty and dedicated technical support, students receive expert guidance, building confidence and practical competence at every stage. Our strong commitment to laboratory safety through strict protocols and best practices creates a secure and professional learning environment. BMS campus students consistently excel, earning recognition and awards for outstanding performance in research and innovation. At BMS campus, we shape the future of science through excellence, innovation, and discovery.